Today we're going to unboxing the ACEMAGIC Matrix Mini M5. So let's talk about the spec of this computer. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Unboxing right away. Let's start. First, this computer has 32 GB RAM and 1 TB or 1 TB of memory. By the processor, this computer have i9-14900HX, which is very good. The price of this computer is around new $759. Let me use this. Plus tax, is going up to $830. So this is the first time I use it. Unboxing. I don't know where to open the box. Oh, here we go. Cool. What? I tried to not break the box, please. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Perfect. So I don't have to block this. So let's see what's inside the computer. It's heavy. Okay. Nothing here. I love the smell of. So basically, okay. Mini PC. Before removing the plastic, let's watch out what is inside the box, because the box still feel heavy. And the first box, don't tell me that I had to put the memory. Okay, first, oh, okay. We have this screw. We have these USB cables, charger, and I don't know. I guess this to put it on the back of the computer. And also we have another one. I don't know what's the. Let's see. Okay. We have another charger. So include two types of chargers. Yes, include two types of charger. It's a 240 watt charger. It's going to charge 50 to 60 hertz. So this is a fast charging, I guess. And that's it. So let's remove the plastic of this computer. Sorry, I tried to not break the plastic, nothing. I'll try, but it's gonna be hard. Come on. Oh, okay, okay, perfect. Why is it so hard to remove it? Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, let's start with the computer. And I don't know why. Look how, guys, beautiful. Let's remove this part. Okay, that's the port for the internet. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the cable of the internet. Let's put it right here. What's next? We need the cable for the monitor. So give me 1 second, guys. Okay, we have the cable right here. Remove this. And let's proceed to connect. One moment, guys. Well, like this has 4-port USB, 2 HDMI for the computer. Also have 2 USB in the front and Type-C on the front, and a port for the audio. It's pretty good. Let's go into turn off the computer for the first time. Here we go. We see the light of the keyboard and mouse, and let's watch on the monitor. Here we go. So 1 moment. And we're gonna make the configuration for the computer. Windows. Alright. Let's make the configuration. English, United States. Oh. Yes, United States. You can hear the fan. It's going very fast. US, yes. Skip for now. Checking updates. So it's going to update right away. Please keep your PC on. I also have this adapter with internet, USB, Type-C, etc. to have more space. Adding almost power. Okay, here we go. Aiming power manage secure. The start of the computer is very slow, I have to say. Welcome. Always is okay if you install your Windows. Definitely. Here we go, Windows. What? Again? Okay, I have to press enter. United States, yes, United States. US, enter. See if I wanna add the keyboard. What the fuck? What's just happening here? Enter. Hours. Finally, I had to reinstall the Windows because the Windows come with problems. So I recommend install your own version of Windows when you buy this kind of PC. So let's find after finish updating the computer. Finally, guys, after let it try to install the Windows, finally this PC gave me a lot of problems on the beginning. So It's checking the graphics, checking everything. HDR display, HDR video streaming gains no support. Of course, we don't have a GPU or something like that. Windows updated. We have a lot of updated. So we start updating the whole PC. We go into display. Of course, display. Recommend is 4K. Ooh, where's my mouse? The mouse disappeared. Okay, here we go. Advanced display. 4K. It's already on 4K, guys. Because this monitor is 4K. Okay, now we're installing all the Windows stuff. We go to about computer, about system computer, and we confirm. Just go to confirm that's the memory at 1 terabyte. No dedicated graphic card. 3GB RAM installed, and that's the processor. So we good, guys. I hope you like the video. For me, look amazing. And subscribe, and see you next time.